Hey folks, Eugene here, and the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up less than a week, January 19th to 22nd, 2026. And I have Patrick Chan with me from Sony, and he's a first-time speaker. And so Patrick, you're going to be talking about maybe some of the advances in sensors and things like that, and how they may help in forensic imaging. So what kinds of things are you going to be touching on?
Yeah, first of all, Eugene, thank you very much for inviting us to this forensic conference. I'm very excited to speak at it. Since it's our first time, I thought I'd go through what Sony offers and the different cameras and sensors on the market. It's very different, especially if your departments are using DSLRs, the new advances in mirrorless technology with their sensors and autofocus systems will greatly benefit your forensic workflows. Like, for example, we have sensors that are extremely good in low light. So if you're in, for example, a collision at nighttime, then you'll be able to, as they say online, turn night into day with these high sensitivity sensors. If you're in a scene where there's a lot of things to photograph or a lot of details, we have extremely high resolution cameras, all the way up to 61 megapixels. And not only that, we have different cameras and those sensor combinations from every price point, from entry level all the way to our highest end ones.
Well, folks, if you want to learn about advances in sensor technology and you want to learn about Sony cameras and more, go ahead and click on the link below. And Patrick, thank you so much.
Have a good day. Can't wait.